Hi guys, let's look at this ASVAB test question that we have here. The question says that the equation of a line is given as y is equal to 3x plus 5. Which of the following points does not lie on the line? So this is a very simple question involving equation of a line. So this equation represents the equation of a line. This means every point that falls on that line must satisfy this equation. So if you try out a particular point and that particular point does not align with this equation, it means that that point is not on the line. So how do we know the location of a point? The location of a point is represented by the coordinate of a point. The coordinate of a point can be located by observing the x value and the y value of that particular point. So if you want to know the coordinate of a point, it is written as x, y. The first value of a coordinate is always the x value of that coordinate, and the second value is always the y value of that coordinate. For example, if the coordinate of a point is 2, 6, it means that on the x-axis, the location of that point is 2, and on the y-axis, the location of that point is 6. So this will help us to know which of the point does not lie on this line with this equation. So the equation is y is equal to 3x plus 5. Remember, the x value is always the first value, and the y value is always the second value. So let's look at this first option, 2, 11. This means 2 is the x value, 11 is the y value. So we're going to see if we put 2 into this side of the equation, are we going to get 11? 2 is x, right? So 3x means 3 times 2 plus 5. 3 times 2 gives us 6. 6 plus 5 gives us 11. So this means that this coordinate lies on this line. So it lies on this line. Let's try this other one. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 16. So if we put in 3 here, are we going to get y to be equal to 16? Let's see. So 3 into 3 plus 5. 3 times 3 gives us 9. 9 plus 5 gives us 14. So since we did not get 16, instead we got 14, it means that this coordinate does not lie on this particular line. So this is the correct answer to this question. If you decide to try this same process on these other two values, you'll discover that they both lie on this particular line. So for you to know which of the coordinate does not lie on this line with this equation, you must substitute the value of x into this equation and see if you will get the y values. The one that does not give you the y value is the one that does not lie on the line. Very simple. Hope you understood the lesson. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and follow for more math content. See you in the next video. Bye.